everyone. Welcome to our live. We are out here at the Collier's land in South San Antonio, and we are checking out the trim out that our in-house service team is doing today. So before we get started, I'm going to go over the specs of the home that they got delivered. This is the Clayton EPIC Summit. It is a 4 or 5 bed, 3 bath, and 2,432 square feet. So that is the specs on the new model. This is an older model, but if you are interested in this home, that's the specs you're going to get. And then if you want the 5th bedroom, you're going to get rid of a flex space, and I'll show you that whenever we go inside. But if you want 4 bedrooms, you'll have an extra flex space. So you get the same amount of space, just a little bit different. So let's go check it out. So last week we came and watched the home being delivered. This is a double wide, so it was a really nice process of the 2 sides being put together, and they're doing the trim out today. So they haven't done the exterior trim out yet, but they have done the interior, so we're going to check that out. But whenever we walk in here, I am going to show or have Miguel answer some questions. Hi, Miguel.
How's it going?
We were just wondering, what are y'all doing today?
Today we're doing the trim out process. It differs with each home, but pretty much joining the 2 homes and doing what's necessary for the homes to be one. And then we have a couple other things going on. Things happen from transit, and we're just taking care of those issues. And then the next step will be the walkthrough with the customer cosmetically, and we'll go from there.
Do you want to show us what y'all did today?
Yeah. So this marriage line right here, this is one of the spots in the home that needs to be joined and trimmed out. This section right here, there was a stretch crack, so during transit, sometimes the home, twists or moves, and so we're addressing that. We cut out the ceiling, added support, put back the sheetrock, and next we're going to be tape floating and matching texture.
Perfect. Yeah, so we will see you at the cosmetic walkthrough soon, so that's exciting. But yes, thank you. So as he was saying, is they fixed the ceiling today, so this is the living area, but I wanted to go ahead and show y'all these back areas where the marriage line is. So if you come over here, so this was part of the marriage line. Anywhere that you see this piece of wood or even this little entryway, this is where the marriage line was for the double wide. So yeah, they have been fixing that. And they also did it over here as well. But this home is really cool because there's so much space in here. Actually, let me show you where that. So this is where your 5th bedroom would be if you chose the 5 bedroom option. But he chose to have 4, or he got one of these homes from us. And so now he has this extra flex space. But let me show y'all in here too, because I can show you this. This is perfect. They haven't done this yet, so I have to show y'all. So this is one of the doorways that they'll have to do. This is where the double wide came together. So this is what it looks like before it's finished out. So if you're ever getting a home from us and you decide to do a walkthrough before the trim out, do not be alarmed. This will be fixed. So that's what's really cool about these trim outs is it's anything that has been shifted. I mean, these homes travel a really long way, especially this Clayton Epics. They travel pretty far. So anything can happen anything can happen in transit, but no matter how big or small the problem is, our service team will fix it for you for sure. And so they'll do this trim out before you come in or the Custy comes in, but then they will also they will do a cosmetic walkthrough, and that's kind of like, so whenever you have an apartment and you have to fill out those little sheets that have the things, you know what I'm talking about, Sander?
Yeah. Maintenance list, I think, or something
Thank
like that,
you.
right?
I could not think of the word. But instead of you filling something out and having us come back, we actually are here. They walk through together. Anything that you point out, they will fix. If we have to order something, they'll order it. But anything that is fixable that day will be done that day. So you don't have to wait. Timing is really awesome. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the house. This was the den area. Here is another secondary bedroom. There is a lot of these, but they've been in here fixing the trim. There was some trim that was moved, but that's totally normal. So nothing to worry about at all. And let's go actually check out this primary bedroom because they're actually installing one of the doors like I showed y'all before.
You were going to fix on that, but I was going to start kind of tidying up, getting out what we don't need.
Ooh,
So few moments ago, there was the part where it wasn't installed yet, but this is what it looks like whenever it is installed. So they've built this out, and then they installed it right here. And then as you can see, this is what the wood panel looks like before it's installed, and then it will cover where the marriage line is as well. So
Nice.
pretty traditional stuff that's going on. Things happen, but we're here to fix it. So don't worry about it if you're getting a home from us at all. Yes, and then this is the living space. I don't know if we wanted to show the ceiling one more time. So that was pretty traditional too. If things are moving, sometimes there's little lines that will appear in the ceiling. I mean, it's going down the highway at crazy speeds.
Yeah.
So you never know what's going to happen. So they just took this out, installed this, and now it's brand new.
It
It's
looks
gonna be brand
good.
new once they do the texture.
Looks great.
Yes, it looks fantastic.
Good on you, boys.
What's up, man?
Good on you. Looks great.
Looks fantastic. Well, guys, thanks for joining our live. I just wanted to go over the specs one more time. So this is the Clayton EPIC Summit. 4 or 5 bed, 3 bath, and it's 2,432 square feet. So if you're interested in this home or any other homes like it, go ahead and go to our website at findmymobilehome.com, or you can go ahead and just give us a call at 210-460-7755, and our housing experts can definitely help you out. So do that, and then I will see y'all next live. So bye, y'all.